Welcome to AmeenAcademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu Higher Secondary Second Year Maths Textbook 2, Exercise 9.7, Question number 1. Evaluate the following integrals. First one, integral 0 to infinity x power 5 e power minus 3x dx. Here, the first one, integral 0 to infinity x power 5 e power minus 3x dx. Here we have one rule, integral 0 to infinity x power n e power minus ax dx equal n factorial over a power n plus 1. Now here n equal to 5 and a equal n equal to 5 and a equal to 3. By using these values we can find integral 0 to infinity x power 5 e power minus 3x dx equal n factorial, that is 5 factorial over a is 3 power 6. Next question number second, integral 0 to pi by 2 e power minus tan x over cos power 6x. Integral 0 to pi by 2 e power minus tan x over cos power 6x dx. Here we can write this one as 0 to pi by 2 e power minus tan x into secant power 6x, because 1 over cos x equal to secant x. Now put t equal tan x, differentiating both side, dt equal tan x is secant squared x dx. Now therefore integral 0 to pi by 2 e power minus tan x into e power tan x into secant power, we can write here secant power 4x and secant squared x, because secant power 6x we split as secant power 4x and secant squared 6x dx. Integral 0 to pi by 2 e power minus tan x into secant power 4x, you can write 1 plus tan squared x is secant squared x whole squared, secant power 4x and secant squared x dx. Now limits will do. Put x equal 0, then t equal tan 0 0. Put x equal pi by 2, then t equal to tan pi by 2 is infinity. Therefore with the new limits, we can write 0 to infinity e power minus t, because we put tan x equal to t, that is e power minus t into 1 plus t square whole square, and secant squared x dx is dt. Now further, integral 0 to infinity e power minus t, 1 plus t square whole square is 1 plus 2 t square plus t power 4 dt. Now the problem is splitted like 0 to infinity e power minus t to 1 dt plus 0 to infinity e power minus t to t square dt plus 0 to infinity e power minus t power 4 dt. Now applying the results here. First, that rule, our now 0 to infinity e power minus x power n dx equal n factorial over here. N factorial. From that we can use it. First one is 0 factorial. First one is 0 factorial. And here before that we'll expand this one first. 0 to infinity e power minus t into 1 dt plus e power 0 to infinity e power minus t power 4 dt plus 2 into 0 to infinity e power minus t square dt. Now we are applying the rule integral 0 to infinity e power minus x power n dx equal to n factorial. Regarding that, you can write this one as 0 factorial, here 4 factorial because t power 4, here 2 into 2 factorial. 0 factorial is 1 plus 4 factorial is 4, 3, 2, 1 plus 2 into 2 factorial is 2 into 1, which is equal 1 plus 24 plus 4 equal 29. Therefore, we can write integral 0 to pi by 2 e power minus tan x over cos power 6x dx equal 29. Now next question, that is question number 2. Is if 0 to infinity e power minus alpha x square x cube dx equal to 32. If alpha is greater than 0, find alpha. Then here if question number 2, in integral 0 to infinity e power minus alpha x square into x cube dx equal 32, which is given where alpha is greater than 0. Now 0 to infinity e power minus alpha x square into x square x dx, because x cube is split as x square into x cube. Put x square equal to t, differentiating both sides, which gives 2x dx equal dt. Therefore x dx dt by 2. Therefore which gives half, we can get it half out, half integral 0 to infinity e power minus alpha t dt equal 32. Then here the limit 0 to infinity is same as 0 to infinity. Even if you put here x square equal to t, x equals 0, t equals 0, then next x is infinity, t is also infinity, same limits. So which is equal 32 given. Then have integral 0 to infinity e power minus alpha t into t power 1 dt equal 32. Therefore by rule we have half into 1 factorial by alpha square. Alpha square equal 32. Since the rule integral 0 to infinity e power minus ax x power n dx equal n factorial over a n plus 1 equal, by getting this here, then alpha square equal 1 over 2 into 32, alpha square equal 1 over 64, then alpha equal to square root of 1 over 64, then alpha equal 1 over 8, the positive value you are taking. So we have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.